Now, what if you don't want to connect your bank account or credit card accounts into your file? Maybe they're old accounts that are no longer available, or maybe you just want to be able to upload your transactions in for a longer period of time than your current bank will allow you to in QuickBooks Online. So let's find out how to do that. We're still in our banking tab, and instead of clicking connect account, we're going to click upload transactions. We can bring in QuickBooks two different ways. We can either bring it in from an Excel spreadsheet that we have saved on our desktop, or we could do the first thing, which was connect our bank. If you do have some transactions, do note that you can only upload CSV, QFX, QBO, or OFX formats. You click Browse and then choose your file.